Gum disease affects about 85% of the population. If left unchecked, it can lead to tooth loss and loss of the supporting bone.
Gum disease, also known as periodontal disease, is a chronic bacteria-induced inflammatory disease that attacks the gums and the supporting bone. This inflammation is the body's response to fight the bacteria and toxins that live on the gums and the teeth. However, when this inflammation persists for too long, or when it becomes too strong, it can then start to destroy the gums and bone supporting the teeth, causing the teeth to become loose and fall out eventually. This inflammation does not only occur in the mouth. This same chronic inflammation can also wreak havoc elsewhere in the body. Gum disease occurs in stages, and in the early stage it is usually painless. Therefore, it is important not to ignore the warning signs. Normal healthy gums is pink and firmly attached to the tooth. However, when a layer of bacterial plaque accumulates along the gum line, it starts to attack the gums, causing it to be inflamed. You may notice that the gums may start to appear red, swollen, and it may be tender. In the early stage, we call this gingivitis, and this can easily be reversed through professional cleaning, good daily brushing, and flossing. If left untreated, however, this can progress to something more irreversible and what we know as periodontitis. Now, what happens is the gums would separate from the tooth, it becomes loose, and more bacteria can infiltrate deeper, causing damage to the supporting bone. So the gums and bones would shrink and pull away, and you may notice that your teeth starts to get longer, they may drift, you may have persistent bad breath, and you may have dentures that may not fit as well as before.
It is possible to have gum disease and have no pain in the early stages. This is why regular dental checkups and gum examinations are very important. Brush your teeth 2 times a day for 2 minutes each and visit a dentist 2 times a year. Practice the rule of 2-2-2. Floss daily and eat a balanced diet for a lifetime of healthy smiles.